Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar said there was no intention at all to arrest Devu Chorankar, a Mumbai-based shipbuilding professional who has been booked for an anti-Modi post on the social media site Facebook in the run-up of the Lok Sabha elections. In response to a question at his post-cabinet press briefing, Parrikar said the government has played no role in the case and it was up to the investigating officer to do his job. Chorankar, who is technically liable to be arrested in the case booked under the Indian Penal Code as well as the Indian IT Act, some of which are non-bailable, has reportedly approached the High Court for anticipatory bail after the lower court rejected it. He feared arrest after he was being summoned by the police. He was booked following a complaint by the industrialist Atul Pai Kane, a self-admitted supporter of the Parrikar regime, who also heads the industrial policy panel appointed by it. Members of the civil society and the opposition political leaders have accused the police and the government for going overboard in the case and attempting to curb the citizens' freedom of speech.
Paper were reporting that a youth was arrested because of anti-Modi. Number one, there is no arrest, which is a wrong reporting by some of the media. I think media should be more careful in reporting. At least two of the newspapers reported that he has been arrested. He has not been arrested. There was probably no intention also of arresting. चौकशी खातीर समन धाडलेल्या चौकशीच्या समनाक तो न आयल्यामुळे सेकंड टायम परत समन धाडटकच तोच स्वता कोर्टान गेलो आनी ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज ही डिडंट अटेंड a simple demand by the police, which police does as a matter of normalcy. Police court refused him the bail. Government has no role to play in the full episode because government was not a complainant. तुम्ही मातशे पयलीं अशा वेळार म्हाका दिसता प्रत्यक्ष फेसबुकार वचून पळोवंक जाय आसलें कितें आहा तें. काँग्रेसचे लोक हांगा व्हडले व्हडले बोवाळ मारता पळय तांच्यांनी कर्नाटकांतल्या आपल्या मुख्यमंत्र्याक सांगचें की ज्यांच्यांनी मच लेसर वर्ड वॉज यूज्ड. अबकी बार मोदी सरकाराच्या जाग्यार दुसरो शब्द वापरलेलो, तुमकां एक्झॅक्ट शब्द जाल्यार सांगता, अंत्यसंस्कार हो शब्द वापरलेलो म्हणून 5 इंजिनियरिंग कॉलेजच्या स्टुडंटांक कर्नाटक पुलीस हॅज अरेस्टेड अँड टेकन 14 days बेल इफ आय एम नॉट रिमांड इफ आय एम नॉट मिस्टेकन. काँग्रेसचे जे नेते हांगा बडबडटा तांच्यांनी पयलीं आपल्या कर्नाटकाच्या हाका सारकें. दीस नॉट अ फर्स्ट टायम. बॉम्बेक बाळासाहेब ठाकरेच्या हे जातकच एका चलयेन कितें तरी मातसो मायल्ड फेसबुकाचेर घालो, ताकाय पुलिसांनी अरेस्ट केल्लो. I am not justifying whether arrest is required. I do know that some people normally don't realize the seriousness of what they say. अनेकदा मनशाक आपूण कितें म्हणटा तें सिरियसनेस लक्षांत येना. When it was a small world without WhatsApp applications आनी वेबसायट आनी फेसबूक, आमी घरांतल्या घरांत म्हणटाले आनी विशय सोडून दिताले. आतां वॉट्सॅपाचेर घाल्या मागीर सगळ्या जगाक कळटा तें. एखादो मनीस जर ऑफेन्स तातूंतल्यान हें करूंक लागलो आनी तो कंप्लेन करूंक लागलो जाल्यार कंप्लेन आमकां रजिस्टर करची पडटा. एज पर सुप्रीम कोर्ट डिसिजन, नो कंप्लेन वीच मेक्स अ कॉग्निजिबल ऑफेन्स कॅन बी रिफ्यूज टू बी रजिस्टर्ड एक्सेप्ट 5 or 6 type of complaints where preliminary inquiry is permitted and complaint registered or denied within 7 days. तातूंत भितर एक करप्शन येता आनी म्हाका दिसता अशें कितें तरी डावरी डेथ बी अशें काही टॉपिक्स आहा ज्या जाग्यार फक्त हॅरेसमेंट करपा खातीर केशी घालीत म्हणून सुप्रीम कोर्टान परमिशन दिला की दीस मॅटर्स कॅन बी इन्वेस्टिगेटेड अंडर प्रिलिमिनरी इन्क्वायरी. अदर देन दोज केसीस, ऑल केसीस, मायंड यू, all cases have to be registered under FIR. आणि म्हणून तुम्ही आता लक्षात घेवंक जाय FIR means nothing henceforth. आमी ऑलरेडी सर्क्युलर गव्हर्मेंटान काडला. FIRचे अर्थ पयलीं भशेन हे घेवपाचो गरज ना, कारण कोणूय वचून कंप्लेन रजिस्टर करूंक सोदता. फाल्यां खंयच्या चीफ जस्टिसाचेर सुद्दां केली जर तूं कंप्लेन जाल्यार आमकां रजिस्टर करची पडटली एंड देन वी वील हॅव टू रिफ्यूट इट आउट बाय आफ्टर डुईंग द इन्वेस्टिगेशन. Just because an FIR is registered does not mean an arrest is imminent.